Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'll show you guys how to leave a group on Facebook. So if it's your first time visiting our channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell so that you'll not be missing out videos like this. So let's begin. The first thing you need to do is that you simply need to log into your Facebook. So once you're there, you click here, after which you simply click on what? Groups. So once you get there, you simply need to what? You are going to see the various groups, that is your groups. You scroll down, you are going to see them. Let's say we want to leave this group, so we are going to say join. You click on it, after which you are going to say leave group. Click on it. Okay, leave group. So guys, we just successfully left that group. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial.